Hi there, welcome back to the VPN Ranks YouTube channel. I'm Hassan, an editor at VPN Ranks, and today we're going to be talking about something that a lot of us get wrong, choosing the wrong VPN. But we're not here to shame you, we're here to laugh, learn, and teach you some of the biggest mistakes people make while choosing a VPN. So get ready and let's dive into some of the biggest mistakes people may have made so that you don't have to. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with one of the classics, choosing a VPN because it's cheap. Well, it sounds familiar, right? You probably thought that, hey, I can save a few bucks and ended up with a VPN that is very bad at privacy and is as slow as a dial-up connection back in the 90s. Well, many users have complained that they shaved a few bucks from buying a VPN and ended up with something that was very slow and very bad at privacy. If you want to dodge this bullet, I recommend choosing a VPN that is a little premium because your future self will thank you for this decision. Okay, confession time. How many of you actually read the privacy policy of a VPN? Yeah, I see you over there clicking agree without actually reading the fine print. But don't worry, you're not alone. The worst that happens when you do this is that you end up with a VPN that actually logs your data, and it's mentioned in the fine print. So before you hit that download button, make sure you go through that fine print and find out what kinds of tabs the VPN keeps on you and what kind of data they log on to. Now we've spoken about cheap VPNs, but here's a big one, free VPNs. Yeah, I know the temptation is real. Who says no to free stuff? But when people warn you about downloading free VPNs, they talk about VPNs selling your data, which is a real problem. You see, the VPN that you're using right now might actually be compromising your data instead of protecting it. So instead of using a free VPN that compromises your security, why don't you invest in a premium VPN that actually delivers a smoother service and protects your data? Alright, I get it. Sometimes the deal is just so good that you don't want to pass up and you want to settle for a long-term subscription. But some users complain that they actually settled for a 2-year subscription plan and they found out that the VPN doesn't offer port forwarding, which is exactly what they needed the VPN for. Can you imagine being stuck with a VPN for 2 years and not getting exactly what you wanted from the VPN? It's like having a gym membership and being allergic to exercise. But before you actually settle for long-term commitment, I actually recommend testing the VPN. A free trial and a short-term plan are your best friends when it comes to this. Here's another big one. You should know why you need a VPN before you actually subscribe to it. Often people talk about having a VPN for their Mac, but needing a separate VPN for their mobile where they can use ad blockers or block trackers. The thing is, not all VPNs are created equally. Some VPNs are great for privacy, some VPNs are great for streaming, some VPNs actually have cool features like smart DNS or port forwarding. This is why it is important for you to know why you need the VPN in the first place. Do you need it for gaming? Do you need it for streaming? Or are you just casually browsing? Decide first and then move onward. So there you have it. The biggest mistakes you don't want to make while choosing a VPN. I know it's easy to get caught up in the hype, but if you learn from these mistakes, you're well on your way to choosing the best VPN. With that said, have you made any of these mistakes or some others that you want to share with us? I'd love to hear your stories. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more VPN insights, and share this video with anyone who needs to hear this message. With that said, we'll catch you in the next video. Take care.